Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to zoom in a video in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is just get a video on your Canva canvas. So I'm just going to select a video and then you can drag it on your canvas. After this you can simply scale it to fit on your canvas. So let me just adjust the size of it. And after this, to zoom in, simply click on this video, double click on it. And once you see this interface, what you need to do is just simply take the any corner of this video, and then you can simply drag it like this to zoom in, or just adjust the size according to you, and then simply click on this done button, and that's it. Your video has been zoomed. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.